Why do I need to reset my Whirlpool refrigerator, and how often?
Hello everyone, welcome to another informative video. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic, resetting your Whirlpool refrigerator. It may seem complicated, but trust us, it's easier than you think. Stay tuned to understand why this is necessary and how often you should do it.
Why do I need to reset my Whirlpool refrigerator?
Resetting your Whirlpool refrigerator might become necessary for various reasons. Firstly, it can be a crucial step when your refrigerator is not working properly, experiencing issues such as cooling problems or an unresponsive control panel. Secondly, you might need to reset your refrigerator after a power outage. Power surges can cause the refrigerator's electronic control board to malfunction, and resetting is often the easiest way to resolve this. Remember, resetting your refrigerator is like giving it a fresh start, resolving minor glitches and ensuring optimal performance.
How often should I reset my Whirlpool refrigerator?
The frequency of resetting your Whirlpool refrigerator largely depends on its performance and any issues it may be experiencing. In general, there's no strict timeline to follow. You don't need to reset your refrigerator regularly if it's working fine. However, should you notice any unusual behavior, like temperature inconsistency, the ice maker not working, or the water dispenser malfunctioning, it might be time to reset. Also, remember to reset after a power outage to ensure all electronic components are functioning correctly.
How to reset my Whirlpool refrigerator?
Resetting your Whirlpool refrigerator is a simple process that you can do yourself. Here are the steps. 1. Locate the reset button. For many models, the reset button is located inside the refrigerator on the control panel. 2. Press the reset button. Simply press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. 3. Wait. After releasing the button, wait for a few minutes. The refrigerator will reset itself, which might involve some flickering of lights or sounds. This is completely normal. 4. Check. Finally, check to see if your refrigerator is working normally again. And there you have it. Now you understand why and when you might need to reset your Whirlpool refrigerator and how to do it. We hope this video has made the process clear and simple for you. Remember, a well-maintained refrigerator will serve you for many years. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other helpful videos.